Bali is known as a paradise, but for those seeking peace, the hustle and the bustle of tourist hotspots can be exhausting. Desa Mambangin Tabanan offers the perfect solution. 3 exclusive villas designed for comfort, privacy, and the tranquility. Strategically located, these villas are far from the noise yet close to modern amenities. Each villa is crafted for relaxation, providing the ideal space to unwind, surrounded by fresh air in the serene natural beauty of Bali. More than just a place to live, these villas are an investment in your quality of life. With a welcoming community and the rich local culture, you'll feel at home and deeply connected. Don't miss the chance to own your dream home that rejuvenates both your body and the soul. Contact us now and make your peaceful life in Bali a reality.